Baselines and endlines require establishing the values of a set of indicators in a population at two particular points in time, baseline and endline. Often, these characterizations require a process of sampling at each of those points. It makes sense to develop a good sampling design for a baseline so that efficient estimates are possible. Baseline and endline designs should, whenever possible, have as similar sampling designs as possible so as to allow better comparisons. Sometimes, endline and baseline comparisons also involve the study of intervention and control sites. In those cases, there are issues about how realistic the control or comparison sites may be, but if we can assume that the control subset of the population provides a good counterfactual, then a good sampling design would be of benefit to both the characterization of the intervened and control populations, both at baseline and endline. This tool is intended to help users design sampling processes that can be useful in those situations.